Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language setting in CoinStats application. Changing the language in CoinStats lets you view the app in your preferred language, making it easier to track cryptocurrencies and manage your portfolio. First of all, launch open CoinStats application on your Android or iOS device and log in. Once you're signed into the CoinStats account, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner to bring up this menu on the screen. From the menu that appears on the screen, tap on Settings. Under Setting, go to the very top and tap on Language, and then you'll be able to see the language options displayed on the screen. Choose the language you want from the list of available options, and you have successfully changed your language setting for the app. Changes are applied automatically right away after tapping on one of the language choices. If the app does not change to your selected language immediately, you can restart the app and you'll be able to do it. So that is how you can easily change the language setting in your CoinStats application using your iOS or Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.